it's like, yeah, good old jet engine flying.
I think I've seen that. Like it's.
Gravity.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's basically it takes the water and then basically shoots
No.
it. Oh, this one. I see. So this guy is using jetpack.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is there anything in here, or is it just on the
No,
arms?
just straight up.
Arms.
Yep.
Not in the back. What's in the back?
Back over.
Oh, the back also.
Did you use it?
Yeah, I had my first feather right last weekend.
Are you gonna fly, or is your battery's gonna run out?
So this is a military guy. He practiced for a week, and he's able to do more
Well, that's not you.
tabletop. So basically, it takes time to learn.
Monitor coming in the way.
People are right here.
Wait, look at like.
It's a yeah. I mean, they based out of UK, but they came to California for 2 weeks. I've been tracking. It was my
Finally, okay.
Don't Teleop there.
Oh my god. This guy just like threw it into the sky.
Did you guys flip the bread?
He did it once.
He did.